Are you a real estate investor who isn't taking advantage of depreciation? Remember, the tax code was written to primarily favor business owners and investors. And as an investor in real estate, one of the most magical deductions available to you is a thing called depreciation. And I'm always baffled by the number of new clients that come in who haven't been taking advantage of this. And when you don't take advantage of depreciation on a rental property, a lot of times you end up having a gain, which makes your taxable income higher for the year. So here's an example of exactly what I'm talking about. So we have a house, single family resident, that was purchased for $300,000. And when you depreciate that house, you have to subtract out the value of the land. So in this case, the land value was $75,000. So our starting point for the depreciation ends up being $225,000. And based on the $225 over a 27.5 year period, you're left with a little over $8,000 deduction in depreciation. Now, with this being a single family residence, the depreciation period is 27.5 years. If it was a commercial property, you take that over 39 years. So before the year even starts, this client is sitting there with a negative $8,000 on paper that they're going to be able to use to offset any income from this rental property. So as far as the income goes, they rent it out for $18,000 over the course of the year. Their expenses, which include mortgage interest, property taxes, insurance, some repairs and maintenance, is a total of $12,000. So leaving them a $6,000 gain on the property. So if they weren't taking advantage of depreciation, they would have to add $6,000 to their income and pay taxes on that. But we got them set up properly and are depreciating the house now. And we're going to move that $8,000 over here to help offset that $6,000, which actually leaves them a little over a $2,000 loss. And then that can go to help offset any other income that they might have. So basically in this scenario, if you think about it this way, they've received $6,000, the net from the rental income minus the expenses, tax-free. It's magic. It's a magic deduction. So if you're interested in finding out more about how I can help you do this with your properties, DM me, go to the link dwd.dwightdye.com, schedule a free strategy session. I'll be glad to talk with you. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks.